Hey there! Today we are going to fix the heating element on our dryer. We have a Whirpool dryer. We've had this set, we bought the washer and the dryer at the same time. We've had this set for probably around 20 years. And we did replace the switch in this for the lid because it's like it wouldn't run at one time. No matter if you shut the lid or opened it or whatever, it wouldn't run. So we replaced that once, did a little short video on that. This, the switch on the door is not working, which right now, when I picked up the heating element, I never even thought about getting a switch to fix that. But this is not heating. And it's probably one of two things. It's probably the thermostat back by the heater coil thing in there, or it's actually the heating coil itself. So I went ahead and went to an appliance place in Jeff City, and because this model, the heating coil for this particular model does fit several different dryers, they actually had it in stock, so I went ahead and got the thermostat and all that stuff to go with it, because I figured there's no point in replacing the heater coil and not replacing the thermostat and everything at the same time, because it could have been the thermostat and not the heating coil, you know. So anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get this fixed. And the first thing I want to do is unplug it. Then I'm going to have to drag it out. And I'm going to get a new, some new ductwork for this. Like I said, since this has been plugged in basically since 2001, we're just going to go ahead and replace the whole thing. They do tend to fill up with lint even if you keep them blown out, because we used to take our electric air blower thing and would blow the lines out and everything, but we gave our electric blower to her sister, who actually needed it worse than we did, and we had two gas blowers, so we didn't really need it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. So like I said, we're going to probably have to go to Orscheln's to get the dryer duct for this, but I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out now so we can get started. So like I said, that the heating element and everything and the two thermostats for this, I think it was around $71. So just give you an idea of the price of that. So I'm not sure what they charge for service calls now, plus the price of the parts. So for roughly probably $72, hopefully we can get this fixed. And I am going to have to crawl back here and loosen up this dryer hose. Everything, like any appliance that's not moved forever, the back of this is horrible dusty. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, now I need to take the back off of here. So I got a 1/4-inch nut driver to take this off. And I still got the vacuum cleaner here, so I can sieve the lint and stuff. would probably be a good idea. Just regular maintenance is probably how there's a lot of house fires. No, this is the upper one. Oh, we know this is the lower one. Okay. So now I have to take this off. Okay, there's our heating element. Trying to see if there's a broken coil somewhere, and I don't see one. So, since I can't see one, doesn't mean that there isn't one. So, let me get the replacement. So, here's a replacement. Hey, nosy butt. You was nosy puppy. So it's got like brand new looking. You can see the discoloration. It's kind of black on this end, although I can't really tell. But you can see the discoloration compared to the new one. So, and here's the new thing that they sent. The new thermostat and all that. So, when in doubt, look at the old one. Because there is a certain way this has to go in here. There we go. Okay. So this has to slip down over a tab like this, and then it does have a place in the back in the thermostat, that little hole right there that has to go in. this side. Are up away. Okay, we know this one goes to the top. Okay, we know this top wire goes right here. And this middle wire goes right here. And then this one goes right there. This is a little loose, so I'm going to pinch that shut a bit. Oh, I'm already done.
You already put it in there? Where's the heating element?
Right here.
How'd you get it in there?
You just take it apart.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
You're lost somebody.
I know.
But how are you gonna... What about those two sensor things?
It's still not tight enough to suit me. Those two sensors, one of them's right here. It's already been in there. I already put it in.
What about the other one?
It's right here.
Oh, you gotta change it out yet?
Yes, I'm gonna change it. You can talk, they can hear you. Whether you're whispering or not.
I don't want them to hear.
Oh, talk. Sound more goofy, whisper. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one out next. Okay, so this one's going to have to be replaced as well. So
What's this?
quit whispering. It was behind the washing machine. I have no idea what it is. This has got a little hole up here that fits in. And that just screws down here. Okay, so that goes in the top. That goes in the bottom. We should be good to go. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in and make sure that it actually heats and that it's not some other problem, which I really don't know what it would be. So this is probably going to shoot lint all over the place, even though I did kind of clean it out. So let's scoot this back and plug it in. Actually, I think I'll just leave it the way it is. Alright, let's try it and see. It's gonna, when you start these up, like just like when you turn on your heater for the first time for the year and everything, or you get like a little heater and you burn it, first time you start it, it's gonna stink. Yep, that was it. So, you can see down inside of the hole and stuff, you can actually see the heating elements heating up, and I can feel the heat coming off. And when I opened the door, it was warm. So, dryer fixed. And it only cost me $72. That probably would, if I would have called somebody to the house, probably would have been closer to like $150, $170, maybe more. So like I said, I don't know what the house calls cost. So anyway, relatively easy fix. Just like I said, just make sure you unplug everything before you start. So we are done. Now we can do laundry. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I'm going to have some more repair videos coming up because I've got a lawnmower that's going to have to be worked on. Some work on our chainsaw on a stick. You all stay tuned and stuff, and give a thumbs up if you thought the repair was interesting to watch. So anyway, thanks for watching.